Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. I hope you are all enjoyed our videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Today we are going to learn about shortcut keys which have control plus alphabets. So we have to learn control A to control Z. We are going to learn about control A to control Z shortcuts. So we have totally 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, we don't have the shortcut for control J, control M, control Q. So we have only for 23 shortcuts. So control, using of control, we have 23 shortcuts. Now we are going to learn one by one. Control A for select all. Suppose you want to select the data and control A. You can select the data. You want to select entire data. You can select here. You can select entire data. Again, you can press control A. You can select entire data. If you want to select entire worksheet, you can click the corner and then select all. So control A for select all. If you want to select the data, you can use control A. Now second one, control B for make the letters as bold. If you press control B, the letter will be bold. Now third one, control C. Control C, which is used for copy the data. If you want to copy the data, copy and then paste. So you can use the control C option. Now you want to have a fill down. You say this is the data available. You want to have the data continuously. So control D, fill down. So what is the data available in the above? The automatically data will be copy paste. Control D is a fill down. Next one, control E. Control E for flash fill. Suppose you have the data, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, everything. You don't want to type entire full name. You want to type Sunday only. Now you can click control E mean you can get all the data. Is it clear? So if you use the control E, you will get the flash fill option. Next one, control F, find option. If you want to find, suppose if you press control F, if you want to find what is the Sunday, where is the Sunday? So find next. If you click find all, you can select find all. So if you want to find something, you can use control F. Control G, if you want to go to, so control G mean go to the sheet. Now you are in D8. You want to go to B2. So B column, second row. So go to B2. Now you want to go here. F column, 8th row. So control F, F8. So wherever you want to go, you can use the control G option. Control G, go to F8, you can go to F8. Next option is replace. Suppose you have the data Sunday and Sunday everything here. Suppose you have the data Friday. You want to make it in a good day. Friday will be a good day. You want to make it like this. So you can press Control H. So Friday will be the data. You can use select the data. Control H mean Friday will be the data. So Friday, you can use Friday. Suppose control H, Friday. You want to make it as a good day. So Friday will be changing, replacing with good day. If you select this, automatically the data will be changing. You select the data and then control H. Friday will be replacing as good day. Replace all. Wherever the data available, the Friday will be replacing. So this is the replacing option. After this, italic. If you want to make the letter as italic format, control I. Stylish format. If you want to remove it, control I. You can remove it. You can use the hyperlink by using of control K. You want to insert the hyperlink. Hyperlink means you can insert the browse option, web email option, some create document, everything in the hyperlink option. You can insert the hyperlink, you can insert here. Next one, if you want to insert the table, if you want to insert the table here, control L. So you can insert the table. If you want to remove, control Z. So if you want to open a new book, you are working in a shortcut sheet. Now you want to open a new book, new workbook, separate workbook. Control N. If you click Control N, you can get a new workbook, book 1, book 2, like this. You don't want to use it, you can close it. Now, suppose you have multiple data you have already used. You want to open an existing workbook. Control O. Open a existing workbook which is already open, which is already used. So you can open the existing workbook. Press escape to come back. You want to take a printout, Control P. If you press Control P, you can take a printout. Then next one, if you want to fill right, as I said earlier, Control D is fill down. So if you want to fill down, Control D. If you want to fill right, Control R. So you can Control R mean you can fill right. The same data in the left side, fill it in the right side. Okay, friend. The next one, save. If you want to save the data, Control S, save. You can save the data. Now, same, Control L and Control T. Both are same, friend. Control L, insert table. Control T also insert table. If you want to insert the table, you can select the data, Control T. You can insert the table. So you can press here, you can insert the table. Now, if you want to make underline, Control U. If you don't want to make underline, remove the underline, Control U. As I said earlier, Control X for cut the data. You have to cut the data, Control X. You can cut the data from the original place. If you want to paste, Control cut and then paste here. So this is the paste option. Control V is the paste option. If you want to close the entire workbook, Control W. Then we want to know redo and undo. Finally, redo and undo. Suppose we have the data already. Copy and paste. You don't want to do the data. You don't want to do the action. So Control X. So the action will be repeated. The action will be reversed. No, I want the action again. So Control Y. So if you want to undo, Control Z. If you want redo, Control Y. This is the data. I hope you are all enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching this video, friend. Control A to Control Z. How to use the shortcut key. Out of 26 letters, we have 23 letters we are going to use in the control with the control option. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.